You'll see it too. Confused about everything, the truth is far from near. Waiting for the first move to be made, my eyes begin to tear. Lurking in the shadows, you try to pull me in. I don't see the evil, and the game will soon begin. You tempt me with your deeds, you tell me all your lies. I begin believing, my faith it slowly dies. The tables have turned against me, and I have become your pawn. There is no turning back now. I am the devil's spawn. You saw it, didn't you?